says I'm full, I'm full.
Go back to life.
I better smash it again. Or flip it up, maybe.
Light bulb's still good.
Flip, see if you can reposition it. Flip it up, maybe, and we'll give it another good smash. Nice.
Try two.
I really pushed it down.
Ride was still going. Oh, that pushed it down in there. Let's take a look. Well, might have to get the crowbar to get this one out.
That's great.
Light bulb's not intact anymore. It ain't coming out.
We'll get it
As a
out.
permanent resident to the compactor.
Who's this courtesy of? Your sister, you said?
This is my courtesy of my sister.
Oh, we'll get it out. We'll do it again.
Crazy vice machine.
Nice.
That was pretty cool.
I think we. Oh my God. Oh Jesus. You do have to poop. Oh my God. Get a little cross correlation here.
I think she's done.
Want to take it out, see what's. Is it any smaller or just a little flatter?
Hard to say.
There you have it.